Hey buddy, guess what? I've discovered this tool where you can create awesome animated videos super easily using AI. And here's the kicker, it's unlimited and watermark free.
Wait, really? That sounds too good to be true. And even if it exists, I'm sure it only works on PCs. I don't have one, so it's useless for me.
Nope, that's the best part. You can use it on your mobile phone too. You can create professional animated videos directly from your phone, within minutes. Let me show you how. Alright, to get started, just click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to this AI tool by Adobe, designed specifically for turning audio into animated videos. And don't worry, it's in beta right now, so it's totally free. No credit cards, no hidden charges, and absolutely no watermarks. You can create as many videos as you want and download them freely. Once you land on the page, you'll see a square canvas by default. But if you're planning to upload on YouTube, you'll want a 16:9 aspect ratio. Just head over to the Size tab, switch from Instagram to YouTube, and you're good to go. Next, pick your animated character based on your story. There's a whole bunch of options to choose from. Adjust the character's size to fit your layout. Want to set the vibe? Head to the Background tab and select something that fits your script. Tons of backgrounds are available. Still not satisfied? Use the green screen background so you can remove it later and add your animated character into any custom video using a video editor with chroma key. Now scroll down and you'll find two options. 1. You can record your voice directly inside the tool. Or 2. Upload a pre-recorded audio file. Just click Choose Audio, select your file, and the tool will start processing. The tool analyzes your audio and starts creating the animated video instantly. It usually takes less than a minute, depending on your file size. Once done, you can preview it right there. Hey buddy, guess what? I've discovered this tool where you can create awesome animated videos super easily using AI. And here's the kicker, it's unlimited and watermark free. Looks cool, right? To download the video, just click the download button. You'll need to sign in, either sign up or log in with your Google account. That's it. You're ready to use the video anywhere. Now, if you don't want to use your own voice, no problem. Use a text-to-speech tool to generate audio. There are tons of them out there. But I recommend one I've personally tested. It has natural-sounding voices and even includes Indian-accented English, which is great for global and local content. You'll find the link in the description. Just paste your script, choose a voice, pick your format, and click Create Audio. Then download it and use it with the animation tool. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you can create unlimited animated videos without watermarks using just your mobile phone or PC. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Check out more videos on this channel for other awesome tools and creative hacks. Subscribe if you find value here, or just bookmark us for later. See you in the next video.